Woke up quick at about noon. Just thought that I had to be with Pony Bassoon. I gotta get out of my house before the day begins, before the coaches start cruising with their friends. About to go, but lost track of time. Young coaches in the back throwing out rude whines. Ran in my house and grabbed my switch with Pony Boy right by my hip. Went outside and pointed my weapon. Just as I seen the coaches was stepping. Got out of the car trying to hit my guy. Got us in the front and side to side. Then we let the socials rage. Drowning him for what seemed like days. It was awful at the top of my list. Then I did my own thing and went something like this. Cruising by the culprit with such sly. I didn't want to kill him. Why? Went to Dally to get a new coat. Train so cold, had me doing some loops. The train slows down, where can it be? A fresh winter field right near me. We rolled on the ground and started to say, it's all about getting out of that cage. Cause the boys from the west are always hard. You come talking that trash and we'll ruin your car. No, nothing in life but to be legit. Don't quote me, boy, cause I ain't said this.